stopping you from doing this? If you can think through as to what's actually stopping you from implementing all of this, I think then we can also make some decisions.
ISO certification for NDMC as a whole, the mark of quality.
You can write that.
I want to make a point since we are getting into different states. So I think there is a problem in that nobody actually owns it, unlike other cities of India, where people actually relate. There is a very little population which is generally residing in government quarters for a very brief period of time, and there is another segment of population which comes there in the morning and goes there. Basically, nobody is owning it. So our vision statement should actually strive towards that we make people feeling a ownership and a pride. So like I was just looking at the Amsterdam statement. I am Amsterdam. So when I own. Similarly, we have made certain attempts in the past. मेरी दिल्ली मेरी शान. इस तरीके का कुछ काम हिंदी में भी vision statement कुछ personalized हो जाए. Whenever anybody look at this statement, they should feel related, and it should not restrict to this particular area. Even as an Indian, I should feel that it is mine, it's my pride.
So one more thing, let the municipal body remain dynamic in terms of using technology for efficient municipal administration. Okay. So let municipal administration remain dynamic. Municipal administration remain dynamic in terms of using technology for efficient administration. Smart street lighting.
Are we driving towards vision or
Smart street lighting.
Smart
Street lighting and better street lighting.
Traffic management system.
So what Chairman said is actually that sums up the result. I would like to add one more word. In the last line is life to realize and register. We are in a true democratic environment.
So already
AMC first, let's clean out the house next.
I'm just looking from the smart city plan perspective of MOU.
One more thing.
It should be the
From
city.
the
City, it should be the city so that it becomes a showcase for the whole other part of the life and correlate with it because it cannot remain aloof from others.
As you said,
Chairman has to take call. Should we focus on the vision for city or for NDMC? Because we're starting with saying it's trying to become a municipal body. Then the focus is very clearly NDMC. We may want to soften it a little bit so that the differentiation between NDMC and the city becomes less. So for something like to strive to become this kind of a city with the municipal body with it.
NDMC is a part of the whole city. It cannot decide about the whole city. It can only facilitate towards the goal of the city. The city has decided some goal.
Let me do this. Can you check the website of what MOD is actually asking?
Delhi area.
They're talking about the city, right?
They are opting for the city because visualizing this type of scenario existing in Delhi. They are only in a small part of the Delhi. Within the Delhi, we have the 5 local bodies. Because they were preparing the entire plan for a pan-India thing. In a pan-India thing, they cannot divide Ahmedabad into a many municipality. But in Delhi, because of the situation today, we have the 5 local bodies. And they picked up only one. So here we can talk only about our own area. We cannot talk about the entire city.
So, what is
Organization or NDMC as an area of city.
Area of city.
NDMC area in Delhi. That is basically the area identified.
Geographical,
area with reference to the civic amenities, and because there are many things which are crossing over it. For example, like law and order. It is a planned area. The Yamuna body is responsible for the law and order. And then like Club and Corporate Delhi also. But their role is very limited to that extent. Not many things are coming, but some things are still coming through the government of Delhi. We can confine only to the municipal responsibility.
So NDMC operates, that's the area for which you're putting the building you're talking about.
Vision we are talking about, but then it might be a challenge for us because there will be some decision part, some other connectivity, say transportation. See, it's
No, I get that. The only point was how we word it. The wording should reflect the body or the area. And I think we'll again double check because the whole end goal is to put the smart city plan together. So whatever MOU we say is
that part is okay. I'm just adding one more dimension to it. That in our smart city realization or vision, I'm just touching other part. This could be one of the challenge. That certain amenities, certain civic amenities are the responsibility of other governments or other corporations or Delhi government or maybe DD. We may realize that we may plan, we may have great vision for NDMC area in terms of civic amenities and facilities, but then lot depends on the willingness from the other quarters, other parts of government or whoever we don't have diligence.
of what New Delhi should be, which include our perception of what we do.
So one more thing, as you said, NDMC should be the quality and the in-house own variety, then the children's playing equipment for the children should the right to children, the NDMC first body in the country to introduce the all safe playing equipment as per the EU standard or the European standards. No park in the country have the children equipment of the European standards. The safety of children equipment is the first, for NDMC is the first one to introduce in the country.
Reflected in all the mandatory and discretionary functions of NDMC as given the Act. There are 35, 37 or 40, 50 functions of the local body. Divided into two categories. One is obligatory, other is discretionary. The same smartness should get reflected in all those.
So in your mind, let's say we've got a smart city right now outside. What will you be seeing? When you step out, what is it that your mind desires to see? Is doing all of this helps you get that vision? Is there something more that needs to be done? Do you think it will be better than any other cities in the world? What happens, let me put a throwing question. What happens when there is, let's say, Dussehra? Right, and there are multiple other festivals that happen. And then after that, the places are just completely trashed. Right? Security. So it's not just day to day, but security, and also our lifestyle is different. Many of you mentioned that. Our culture is different, our lifestyle is different. Our city should reflect that, not just in terms of the heritage, but from just managing the city, planning the city. So if you do not plan, let's say Durga Puja, right, then you've got hundreds and hundreds of trucks going through. What is the route through which it goes? Or a truck full of hazardous material is passing through New Delhi. Does any of you even get to know that it's possible?
Disaster management.
So extra disaster management, which will have multiple aspects of it. Imagine one truck overturning in the middle of New Delhi. Let me put another vision. Many of you talk about a walking street, of a nightlife, where no motorized vehicles will be allowed. And let's say we build it up, right? Let's say we have Delhi Heart without a ticketing system, right? People can just walk in, walk out. What do you think will happen in a New Delhi situation? People will bring in trucks, put it inside, they'll get their scooters in and take it around, and pretty soon it will be one of the next places. So managing what already exists in a smart manner also becomes an issue, just because we are not tuned towards following the law and order. Because somebody had also said, citizen behavior, change people's behavior. Now that behavior won't change overnight. So probably using technology to change people's behavior could be one of the remedies. Does that make sense? Putting smart cameras in surveillance, these things.
I mean, like in Singapore, one smart card user gets you through a lot of places.
Right.
But it also helps the city to identify that you went through that place.
Right.
So it serves both to facilitate you as well as for the city to monitor your actions.
The other thing will also happen, knowing how the police system is, and realistically you will not be able to change it in 1 or 2 years' time. So automatic chalane, where there is no discretion.
ERP is also there, electronic road pricing. In Singapore. In rush hour, you can add to officers that is available.
So Supreme Court conditional charges in India is for especially for motorized vehicles.
Yeah.
Those are things like
Especially for the market in the Pandava market at night.
Congestion charge for any of the roads, Pragati Maidan,
If you go for late night, it will go for
Automated because smart ticket होगा तो अपना assessment
no, automatically it will tell. If you are opting that route, then it will let you. So shall we now come back to what the chairman said as a vision and then see if everything is covered over there? So let me start from the left onwards. I leave the core values, I think we will come back on the core values. With the first one, municipal function to be delivered both from administrative and citizen with and citizens with precision. It says we shall set the global standards in providing efficient, environmentally sustainable civic amenities. So I think more or less that gets covered.
Yeah.
So I'll take on that. The double tick is because I've written it and you've read it. Following the WhatsApp standards. Second one is technology solutions along with partnerships to deal with immediate and future challenges. Is that getting covered? Once you're putting the global benchmarks, I think that gets covered, right?
Yes.
It gets covered. Right? But you're not going to throw away any of this. These are details. The details are important. So we'll keep that. And when we're putting flesh at the plans, we'll come back and look at these details. Next is community service and tech support related to services, IT info, online services. That was your point, right? Yes. So is that getting covered? Or do you want to change it? That's getting covered. That's smartness, which is all encompassing. Civic functions, tangible, non-tangible.
What we can do, we can add it here. When we talk about efficient, we can qualify it through an IT.
Through technology.
Technology. And it's because at the end of the day, technology will make the difference. Otherwise, it may not be possible. So to have enough focus to the technology, we can add words somewhere technology.
So can I say, instead of global standards, global benchmarks?
Yeah.
Because the idea is that we set the benchmarks.
You can just write in the end IT enabled services. Through IT enabled services.
Enabled,
Through IT enabled services.
not just IT, all technologies.
All technology.
Enabled through technology. We'll rework on it again, but mostly it's covering the concepts. So non-tangible, non-tangible, I think the quality of life, the non-tangible part is getting covered. Culture is getting covered in quality of life. Laws, regulatory issues, NDMC Act. So these are how to do, how to achieve it. So that's more of the how part of it than the what part. So just checking in. World-class quality of life to residents and visitors. Should we add being sensitive to local requirements? Do you think that's needed? Or it anyway gets encompassed because we're talking about local?
Should be, because if you're making a statement, it should not be giving impression that it is lifted from somewhere else. So customization of CDK of local sentiments, it is.
आपका cosmopolitan city है.
अच्छा, spark it ever.
ग्लोबल बेंचमार्क आ गया. ग्लोबल बेंचमार्क आ गया. ये तो ठीक है, मतलब झारखंड या उसका ट्राइबल डेवलपमेंट की बात नहीं है. तो we are नहीं, पॉइंट है कि cosmopolitan city है. We are saying global benchmark.
Cosmopolitanism is not an abstract. You have to make yourself cosmopolitan. So you should be included in that.
I think let me give you an example. You've heard of the carnival primarily in Rio. This entire large road with stadiums created just for that 2-3 days of carnival. And it's dedicated for the entire carnival to happen with people standing in the stands and traffic management and so on and so forth. That infrastructure always has been put into place. It also leads to a huge amount of tourism revenues coming in. It also leads to branding of the city. It also leads to people getting involved and feeling proud about the city. So it takes up the local cultural thing and makes it global, and those are things that we do. But I think it's more or less that's getting captured in the words written in the vision. So all of this getting captured, and think this out. Vibrant city full of joy.
Say class quality, world class quality of life. Quality of life. Quality of life.
Maybe a spark this, because that thing is trying to say something more than quality of life. So here we are saying everybody lives properly and efficiently, whereas vibrant is saying that they live to the fullest in that sense. So I'll put the word here so that we know things that needs to be captured here. This is a non-Gujarat vibrant. Innovation.
The technology will take one.
Actually, when I said innovation, I meant in the sense that administration kind of, when we administer the city, we do it in a way where we are nudging people in a very gentle way towards a better actions. Whether they're doing business, whether they are at leisure. So it's again the hierarchy of needs is higher purpose.
Innovations towards efficiency. All innovations are not inventions.
No, but the point is that innovation is about innovation in policy. Okay, and that is what I had in mind when I said innovation.
So I think that gets covered, innovation policy gets covered, but what about just innovation? Do you want in the New Delhi municipal area to have innovations coming out?
Innovation
that's
is
not
according to the situation only. Innovations come according to situation. This is what I feel.
Yeah, that's what her point was. So I'm saying that's fine. That's your innovation, Indian state innovation. But what you're saying as a city, you want a city to be an innovation city. I mean, you want, let's say, Google to come out of New Delhi area. But that's not really important. And globally, that is happening. Technology and innovation. That is all of you agree on. And this is the choice and this is now, most of what you desire has come over here. So we are checking if everything is really captured in the vision. What's the purpose of vision? That next, after the vision is stated, we break down what the components of the vision. This is already here, but then much as of you put things over there, there will be things around pollution control, right? Or linkages between heart disease and ppm in the weather. And therefore, when the ppm increases, can the government proactively provide more ambulances for heart care? Right? So those are things that start making the city more and more smart. But it's going from that way. You have said the setting a global benchmark for providing the civic amenities and quality of life. So as part of that vision, now you can go back, or we are all going to go back and check what are the current global standards, and therefore, when we say global benchmark, our standards has to be notch above the global standards. And therefore, how do we achieve that? So that's how the vision will flow from here on. So the action points comes post the vision. So we are constructing the vision, first we are deconstructing everything. From there we are creating the smallest vision possible. From there, again, we'll start expanding by a more structured manner. In terms of health, in terms of education, from the stakeholder perspective, or from the different strata of the society perspective, then the vision has to be strengthened to that extent.
So both
I feel we should add leading model to strive to become a leading model in municipal
इसमें एक और
I think a global benchmark, which are set
We
in
are going to be the leading model of a municipal body. That's what is going to mark NDMC different from any other municipal body. So we are going to set the standard for other bodies to follow.
Sure.
So we can always strive to become a leading model municipal body, which shall be setting the
addition of word
leading.
after becoming very important.
And I feel that after this through technology and innovation, we can always continue the statement by imbibing the local requirements. That would just include inclusive of the inclusive environment. We can always include that.
इसमें एक और पॉइंट आएगा जिसका स्ट्रेस इसका एक पॉइंट और आएगा क्योंकि विजन में it might be methodology for it or approach. Participate means consultative. Our vision is that we are not doing alone. We are not only experts.
The true democratic environment.
Democratic environment, sir. Participate.
Democracy is not because the rule of law. Democracy is the rule of law.
डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी हमें ऐसे नहीं है पर पार्टिसिपेट
Participation outside of local requirement, we can write diversity and inclusion environment.
If you make it too long, the problem becomes that only stays as a So the point that the whole reason, and that was the question Jeremy was asking, the reason for the vision is that next what we do in terms of planning will get reflected in the vision, or will be derived from the vision. If you make it too long, then one is not able to really. But if there's something glaring that's left out, we'll be happy to put that back. So we have covered all of this and focus on children. I think that's where the word all residents comes in. So we talked about the poor, the rich, the children, the old. But I did not say anything about the old over here, the senior citizens.
all
But on this side. Because you called out children, I didn't say anything on the.
We have to add here.
Yeah.
We have to add something.
I think let's just write it down so that it's there in the notes.
Old days.
Senior citizens. And same transportation, smart transportation, we've covered there. Preparedness for disaster management. See, that's the. So, does that get covered? Disaster management, sorry.
Environmental sustainability.
No, disaster will be like if there's an earthquake as an example.
Disaster management is reactive as well as preparatory to
Yeah.
some extent.
So maybe focus should then be more on disaster resilience rather than management.
Just resilience.
Yeah, trying to be more proactive than waiting for a disaster.
Yeah, true.
So I shall add the word resilient over here. Efficient, resilient, environmentally sustainable solutions. Customized, localized approach, support to all starters of society, NDMC style furniture, workshops, smart revenue. So, does a sustainable also include financial sustainability?
yes.
Not at all. Or should we add? Maybe just write it down over here. The revenue should also be one dimension. Well-being, prosperity, environment, redevelopment, post-green city, smart street light, better traffic management, smart homes, NDMC communication internally, that's the part of it, battery, non-motorized things, smart residents. So smart residents, and I think we kind of missed that part. Change people's behavior.
इसमें रिसोर्स ऑप्टिमाइजेशन कुछ आ सकता है
That's one thing of insurance.
रिसोर्स लाइक
Sustainable.
Some weather statement are very boring.